Welcome to Now Vauxhall. Here today we have a lovely Vauxhall CASCADA convertible 1.4 turbo elite model finished in the colour Asteroid Grey. As you can see, the vehicle is on a 16 plate and was registered in March 2016. Has a warranted mileage of 10,500 miles only. As you can see, this CASCADA benefits from front fog lights, daytime running lights, a lovely front chrome grille from Vauxhall, upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels, colour-coded mirrors and door handles, soft top roof, going to the rear of the vehicle, benefits from rear parking sensors, a high brake light and a very spacious boot. Going inside the vehicle, benefits from full leather interior, along with ISOFIX points for better child safety, drink holders in the back, and plenty of legroom and pocket holders. Comes with automatic headlights, steering wheel audio controlled with Bluetooth, cruise control and speed limiter, a leather covered steering wheel, electronic parking brake, 6-speed gearbox, USB and auxiliary, satellite navigation system, heated front seats and a heated steering wheel with climate control. This is a Network Q vehicle and benefits from a 12-month warranty and roadside assistance for greater peace of mind. You can now reserve this vehicle online with a £100 no-call deposit or call our internet sales team to arrange a convenient appointment for you. If you're thinking of finance, we are confident we can beat any high street lender with our flexible dealer funding plans. Thank you for visiting Now Vauxhall today.